Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I will discuss the most important topic in building construction related size of RCC column for domestic building for ground floor and G plus 1 story and G plus 2 story. What should be the size of column and its steel reinforcement details. Remember one thing, if you are civil engineering student, so skip this video from here because this is not for civil engineering student or for civil engineers. This is especially for non-technical people which are not related with civil engineering. So they don't know about building construction, but they are confused about size of column and its steel reinforcement details. So therefore, non-technical people watch this video till the end to know about size of column, etc. Let's get started guys. First of all guys, I will tell you, as you can see, this is column, okay, and this is the other column, right? So what should be the size of column? Before starting building construction, you should see your budget. So if in the future you want to construct only for future, if you want to construct just ground floor, so what should be the size? If you want to increase the story, G plus 1 story or G plus 2 story, so first of all, you will think about your decision. What you want to construct in future, you want to increase the other floor or not? So this is the most important thing, because if you don't know about this, if you don't take decision for ground floor plus first floor plus second floor, so if I tell you that keep the size of the column 12 by 12 inches or 12 by 16 or 18 inches, so this is not better for you, because sometimes more people, they don't have more money, so therefore they have less budget for construction, so therefore you will face more problems. So first take your decision, proper decision. You want to construct just ground floor for the future, or for the future you want to construct ground floor plus first floor, or in the future you want to construct ground floor plus second floor, first floor plus second floor, mean 3 story. Okay, so this is very important. So just for ground floor guys, remember, for ground floor, size of column, only for ground floor. Okay, so the size of the column should be 9 inch by 9 inch. So this is size of column just for ground floor. Okay, so size should be 9 inch by 9 inch. Got it? So here in this case you should use steel details. Okay, so guys, you can use for just ground floor 4 numbers. So the dia should be 12 mm. Okay, so you can use 4 steel rods, 1 2 3 4. Got it? And as you can see, this is its lateral tie. Okay, so the dia should be not less than 12 mm. I saw in many construction for ground floor, they are using 12 mm. Okay, so they are using 4 numbers, dia 10 mm. So guys, this is wrong. Okay, so don't use this, use this one. Okay, this is just for ground floor. Now guys, next, so if you want to construct in future ground floor plus first floor, so in this case don't use 9 by 9 inches for domestic building, because I am talking about domestic building, not for commercial building, and it's also specially for non-technical people, as I told you before. So in that case the size of the column should be, remember this, the size of the column should be 12 inches by 9 inches in the case of G plus 1 story. So this is for ground floor. Now G plus 1 story, you can say ground floor plus first floor. So that's mean G plus one story, one other story on the top of ground floor. So in this case you can use the size of column 9 by 12 inches in this case, and steel reinforcement should be 6 rods, okay, and the dia should be 4 rods should be 16 mm, and only 4 rods, and 12 mm 2 rods. Let me write in detail, okay. So the dia should be 16 mm and 12 mm. So the 4 rods on each corner should be 16 mm, and the other 2 steel rods should be 12 mm like this. So the corners rod should be 16 mm, 4 numbers, okay, 4 steel rods 16 mm and 2 steel rods 12 mm, only 2 bars. Got it? So in this case also guys, the stirrups dia should be also so lateral tie, okay. So here guys, as I told you for first floor, so this stirrup dia, this one, a lateral tie dia should not be less than 8 mm with the spacing of 150 mm. You can say or 6 inches center to center like this. As you can see, lateral tie spacing should be with 6 inches. Got it? Next guys, the hooks, these hooks for both, for G plus 1 story and for ground floor. So this angle should be with 135 degree. So the hooks should be bent with 135 degree. Same here, it should be on 135 degree. Okay, the dia should be same 8 mm with the spacing of 150 mm or 6 inches C/C. Got it? And 2 steel rods should be 12 mm as I discussed before. So this is for G plus 1 story. Same guys for G plus 2 story. G plus 2 story. So what should be the size in that case? So the size of the column for G plus 2 story, this is G plus 1 story as I discussed before. Okay, sorry for this because the marker is not okay. Okay, so for G plus, this is first, this is second, this is third. So for G plus 2 story, okay, ground floor plus 2. For this, the size of the column should not be less than 12 inch by 12 inches. Okay, G plus 2. So in that case, we should use minimum 8 steel rods, 4 at the corner and 4 at the middle, like this. Use 8 steel rods for G plus 2 story. Size should be 12 by 12 inches. Got it? So in that case guys, the dia should be 16 mm for all. So 8 steel rods, dia 16 mm. Lateral ties dia should be, hooks should be bent same with 135 degree as I discussed before. Same for this. So the spacing also you can keep from 100 to 150 mm. The dia should be for lateral tie 8 mm. Okay, so the spacing should be from 4 inches to 6 inches. So at the bottom to L by 3 distance. So this is height, total height. So height should be divided by 3. So in that case, so h by 3, so to that distance, the spacing of the lateral tiles should be 4 inches. After that, it should be 6 inches. Again, at this place, L by 4, at the top, at the bottom, so the spacing should be 4 inches, at the middle, it should be 6 inches. Where you want to provide overlapping, so in that case, again, same spacing you can keep, which is 100 mm or 4 inches for G plus 2 story for domestic building. Now in that case, guys, grade of concrete should be used for all. For ground floor plus first floor plus second floor, it should not be less than grade of concrete. So let me write here the size. Size should be 12 by 12 inches. Okay, steel details should be 8 steel rods. Dia should be 16 mm for all. Got it? So in that case, guys, grade of concrete is very important. So grade of concrete should be 20 mm for all, for G plus 1 story ground floor and G plus 2 story, where the ratio of M20 grade concrete is 1:1.5:3, where 1 is cement, 1.5 is sand, and 3 is aggregate. Okay. So also the water cement ratio should be 45 to 60%. Okay, so this is also very important. So these are the details for ground floor plus first floor plus second floor for domestic buildings, especially for non-technical people which don't know about construction work and they want to construct their house. So in the future, for future you will have do planning. You want to construct first floor after ground floor, after ground floor you want to construct the first floor or not? If yes, so follow these rules. So if you want to construct ground floor and then you want to construct plus first floor, so this is difficult for you to construct first floor. That's why, because the size is not sufficient in that case. So first of all, you will take the proper decision for house construction. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.